Hello. Can you hear me?
Yeah, audible, Vijay?
Yeah. Yeah, Kalyan.
Yeah, yeah. Let me introduce myself first, Vijay. Myself, Kalyan Chandra. And I'm having like around 3.4 year certified, and along with Snowflake Snow Pro also certified. And this is what regarding about me, a demo session. So I will show the what are the topics we are covering in this total, like all in training sessions, and along with the hands-on in some of the projects also. Is that is able? Hello, hello. Ajay, I guess you are in mute.
Yeah, I can hear you. Yeah.
Can proceed with it.
Hello.
Yeah, let me
Yeah.
share my screen for some of the
Yeah.
documentation. So what
Yeah.
are the topics I will be covering in this training sessions, and what are the things we will be covering? Let's have a look over there, and if you have any queries regarding those, we'll discuss it.
Okay.
Hello. Hi Rajesh, this is Mayuri from HKR Training.
Yeah, hi.
Yeah, you can start the demo session.
Yeah, I already started. Yeah, Vijay, is my screen is up?
Yeah. Yeah. Screen is visible.
Yeah, Vijay, like we are in this training session, we are completely uh, targeting our Matillion DP and Matillion ETL as well. What are the topics we are covering in Matillion DP and along with Matillion ETL?
Your voice is getting attenuation in between. Exhaustion is not clear.
Now, now I am clear.
Yeah, it's okay. Yeah. Your screen is not that visible. Screen is kind of.
You are unable to see my screen.
I can see a screen, but font is very little and.
Yeah. Now,
Yeah, this is a little bit better, man. Yeah.
okay, if you want, I will increase more.
It should be actually full screen. Very half of the screen is visible in the sense like
But it is full screen to the side. Maybe you need to check it there.
yeah, now a bit better. Yeah, that's fine. Yeah, please.
So in training sessions, like we are mainly focusing on material and DPC and along with the
Your
main thing
voice
what,
is no sorry, man. Your voice is. I'm
hello,
sorry, your voice is not clear to
now,
me.
now,
Now, yeah, okay.
yeah, yeah, Vijay, like in this training sessions, no, we are mainly focusing on Matillion DPC and along with Matillion ETL. And what are the topics in DPC and along with Matillion ETL we are covering? Uh, like this is my dashboard. You can see over here. Like in this Excel sheet, these are the like topics mainly we are focusing on in these training sessions. Like mainly like introducing to the Matillion, like why Matillion, what is the use of Matillion, why in the market Matillion we are using more in the market, and along with what is the like difference between Matillion ETL and Matillion DPC, like what is the user interface of both, like what cloud platform is using actually Matillion ETL, and along with Matillion DPC, why we are having both. Like I guess like Matillion ETL is like a extra transformation and load tool, and DPC is an a data protective cloud. So the main reason why we are having like both, these are the main comparison between this DPC and Matillion ETL. And apart from this, like what types of jobs we are having in Matillion? So like orchestration jobs and transformation jobs. So where we need to use those orchestration jobs and transformation jobs, what is the use of those jobs? And like along with those, what are the variables like environment variables, global variables, project variables? These are like different types of variables. So we are focusing on those things as well, and along with the DDL and DML components as well, like alter table, create table, edit, truncate. These things all will do a like hands-on tools. Like it was completely with. I'll show you some of the my projects as well. Like I'm currently working for those projects itself. So I will show you the whole like live project mm, along with live data itself, mm, up with duplicate data. Mm. Uh, these are the things, and along with what are the components we are having in our Matillion DPC and Matillion ETL. So, for example, database query is we are having so many components in orchestration jobs. So, for example, like database query, S3 load, unload, data transformation components, and some of the extract components and Salesforce output components. This will be available in our like in orchestration jobs. Uh, these also we are covering in this thing. And along with like flow components as well, and along with the transaction control components and iterators. Like iterators was I guess like uh, iterators, we are having a different types of iterators like grid iterator, uh, like file iterators, table iterators. These are different iterators. So what is the main use of iterator? Why iterator will be using in this Matillion jobs? So these things, and along with like script components like Python script and SNS messages and sending email things. So for example, if we are running one job, for example, this job got failed for some of the reasons. In that scenario, why this job got failed? So in that scenario, if you are unavailable on that server, so we will directly receive an like email. So some of the job got failed due to some of the error in that job. This is also the thing. And, along with that, transformation components like joining components, read transformations, and read write components. You can see here. Like the thing is like Vijay, DPC and ETL is like it was like similar, same components we are using, but we are using in some of the different like cloud services. And
So one question.
yeah, sure,
So
sure.
what is the DPC here? Because I heard about ETL. What is
Yeah,
Matillion DPC?
DPC is like data protective cloud.
Okay.
Yeah. It's completely based on cloud, like it's easy available compared to ETL. It's easy available in the market. For example, if you want to take a trial version also, if you go to Google and you can search like Matillion DPC, so you can easily create your account over there. Like it was like around 14 days like free trial. So you can create your own account there and you can go ahead. But in ETL, you can't do like that because it's like totally depend on the server. Uh, did you get?
No, that's what first time I'm hearing about DPC.
Yeah, yeah. If yeah, no
Okay,
problem. If you want,
okay,
you can
data.
Google it. If you have anything, we can discuss in next classes as well. That's no problem. But
See, one thing like data productivity cloud is a
yeah,
platform which we
yes,
can do or we can create the pipelines, right?
that is nothing but ETL.
Yeah, there is nothing more detail. Now,
Yeah.
why is that different? Because I thought like DPC, Matillion DPC and Matillion ETL are both the same. It's not. It's
Both are not same. Like,
not same.
like not same. UI interface was like user interface was different, and cloud providers was different, and like like DPC is like it was easily available in the market compared to ETL. If you want ETL, so it was like you need to maintain a separate server for that.
Mhm.
That is the main reason. Okay? And like user like inside the Matillion DPC and ETL, uh, both the components wise like both are same. Like you can see, for example, here for transformation components, I have wrote the same thing here. So like component wise, these both are similar.
Hmm. Yeah,
But
components wise, I
yeah,
think.
yeah, both are similar.
But I thought like DPC is something data productivity cloud platform, whatever we have. That is like 14 days of a trial version is there from Matillion Academy, right? Which we can take
Yes,
it up.
yes, yes.
But I think like that is the one which is Matillion. Is there something which
No,
is
no.
Matillion is something different with the DPC?
Yeah, yeah, that is different from the DPC. I will show you everything. Once our classes will be short, I will show you everything with the hands-on experience. No worry with those things. Both Matillion DPC and Matillion ETL as well. Both the user interface I will show you, and along with that, like how to create an account in Matillion DPC and how to create an account in ETL as well.
Hmm.
Yeah, along with scheduling the jobs and monitoring the jobs. If you get any error, how to like rectify those errors.
Hmm.
Yeah, these things will be like I'm currently working for this only, but no problem with this. I will do a hands-on experience with my real-time data itself.
Hmm.
These are the things we are covering in this training. If you want anything, so let me know. Like, so we'll add those things as well.
One thing that is really confusing that DPC is something different with the Matillion ETL. That is perfect, right? Both are not same.
Both on outside. If you want, you can Google it today. Mm, By chance, if we connect tomorrow, so if you have any queries on that, so we'll discuss on that.
Hmm.
Mm. But no
Because
problem. I will show
data
you
product,
the yeah, yeah.
yeah,
Go ahead.
data productivity cloud, right? So
Yeah.
I have been to this Matillion Academy. I have taken the 14 days trial version. I've been doing some practicals over there as well. But I thought like ETL, Matillion ETL is same. It's not same. So that's
Was
why
not
I
said.
thought of
For
like,
example, I
yeah.
will show you. Mhm. was the user interface of my DPC. Did you get?
What do you say?
Yeah. Did you get able to see my screen?
Your screen is still that the curriculum only.
Okay. Okay.
Topics only that I could be able to see your Excel sheet. Topics.
Yeah. Now able to see my screen. Is
Yeah, man, I can able to see your screen. Correct.
Yeah. Like this is the DPC interface actually.
Correct. Correct. DPC interface. Correct.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I got it.
I think you are working on this or ETL. I didn't know.
That's what, like, I've been working on this DPC only. I know this DPC, orchestration and the transmission, both jobs, how to create
Yeah.
project and, environment, all the options. Yeah. This I
Okay.
could able to get it. But
Okay.
which one is the Matillion ETL? ETL.
ETL also I will show, but for that I need to log in with my server. So I think it
Oh,
takes 2 to 5 minutes for that.
okay.
And
But I
like
think
I
like,
will show. Yeah.
yeah, yeah. One question. Configuration and all we can do from here only, right? Matillion
And
DPC only,
like
right?
yeah, like you need to ask me why DPC and why ETL. It depends upon the client requirement. For example, if client want to maintain his own server and he want to give us a his server, in that scenario, what client will say like I will go with Matillion ETL, no problem with that. We are having so many servers. We'll take one server, we'll do for Matillion ETL. If we don't want to take like he don't want to give us a server or he want to do in our own local thing, in that scenario client will say you can go ahead with the Matillion DP. There is no much more changes in these things. Those are like both are like similar itself, like component wise, orchestration job wise, and transformation job wise, everything like bit different. That user interface is different. These are the things.
Oh. Mm. But totally interface is also different. Both interfaces are different.
Yeah, yeah, both interfaces are different, and like both
In both
interfaces are
interfaces,
different. Yeah.
yeah, in the both interfaces, we create orchestration and transformation jobs differently,
Yes,
right?
everything we can create. Those are like different.
Oh. Can you tell me, we have Matillion Academy, right? Some of the videos has been posted in the Matillion Academy, right? The client, source, product videos, some videos are there, right?
Yes, yes.
So those videos I never seen the DPCs. I thought it is a new version. All,
Actually, it
they've
was
been
not.
showing.
No,
Mm.
it was not the new version. There was like I think those videos are like ETL itself. Here we are having like ETL and DPC. Actually, DPC came recently in the market. So like every client don't want to use DPC. It's like
Okay.
no, yeah, it's like depends on the client. That is the reason you didn't get what is ETL and DPC. You are
Oh,
thinking like Matillion is like yeah, Matillion is Matillion. That's it. ETL it was.
correct. My
Yeah,
perception is like Matillion is ELT rather than ETL.
yeah,
Extraction, loading, and transformation, because transformation done straight away on top of cloud data warehouse, kind of like
yeah.
Snowflake, right?
Yes, yes,
So
yes,
all the horsepower that is coming from data warehouse itself, like, right, within data warehouse, because we like legacy tools like Informatica kind of thing, we don't load the data and do the things over there. I mean, transformations in the you know uh, Informatica engine. We are straight
yeah,
away
yeah,
doing the transformations on top of Snowflake engine, where
yeah.
power comes from there. It's a kind of like white. We can say this ETL. I mean, Material is a kind of whiteboard which we can define or set up the different pipelines like orchestration and transmission pipelines, so that we can configuration we can do, but the power and actual computing happens on top of Snowflake data warehouse itself, right?
Yes, yes,
So that
yes,
is my perception so far, and I've been doing some of the things in Material Academy as well, like Essentials is the one which has been introduced me over there for understanding of um, uh, so that is my understanding actually.
yeah. You
Okay.
are in the like right part itself.
Yeah, DPC means straight away they introduced me DPC, Data Productivity Cloud only. I
Yeah,
never
yeah.
knew that there is another platform that is Matillion ETL, which I don't know actually. Okay,
Yeah.
that is my so far understanding
No
about
worries.
it.
Yeah, no worries. We can discuss this in our further classes. No, no problem with this. I will show you the both Matillion DPC and Matillion ETL both interfaces, and
Mhm.
this is no problem with this.
Okay.
Any questions?
See, one question is like you have schedulings, right? Schedulings, right?
Yeah, yes.
Uh, you have schedulings and you have to do the scheduling, and that schedule, uh, if I wanted to run, for example, weekly once, my pipeline has to run, or job has to run weekly once. So is there any kind of event based scheduling, or is there
Like
a
we can
term
schedule.
event scheduling? Is the term is there existing? Hello.
I didn't get like we can schedule have for weekly basis.
Mhm.
Like if we want to schedule in event basis as well, also we can use this, but it depends upon the job when it's run, like weekly ones or daily ones or monthly, how it was.
Okay. Mm. Okay.
Anything else?
1 minute. Yeah. This How long it will take, Kalyan?
Like it was like
If it
around 20 to 25 hours of training. Like it's
20.
if you like it depends upon availability. Like if you are available
Mm.
daily, so no problem with that. We can like schedule at one time, morning or evening. That's also fine for me. Mm,
Mm.
Like it depends upon.
Okay.
For example, if we like we can do 2 hours a day also is fine. The thing is like we need to do like hands-on is important. So like training in the sense mm, like hands-on is a must. If you don't do the hands-on, so there is a chance of like forgetting or
Mm. Okay.
yeah, yeah, yeah.
Mm.
Mm.
Okay. Uh, One request from my side, because you have been introducing yourself, right, initially,
Yeah, yeah.
and I was bit lost your voice. Can you please introduce yourself,
Yeah,
please?
yeah, no problem. Yeah, like myself, Kalyan Chandra, I'm having around 4 years of experience in Matillion and along with Snowflake. And I'm also Matillion ETL certified and along with Snowflake Core certified.
Mm. Okay. So you've been working currently in Matillion, right?
Yeah, currently, not since 4 years, I have been working in Matillion and along with the Snowflake and now Databricks, DBT, these things.
Mm.
Yeah,
Okay.
this is like daily. What I used to do is like what my daily routine is like. Uh, we used to develop the whole pipeline
Mm.
using DBT, and some of the scripts are built in DBT. And from there, we use this Matillion to extract those scripts and loading into Salesforce.
Salesforce. Okay. Mm.
Yeah, yeah, these things we usually do. Like we complete end-to-end project we do.
Mm.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, we do. That's it from my side. But do you have anything?
So here, your can you share your that I mean, topics which you have been sharing to me?
Yes, we do.
Yeah. So yeah, Matillion DPC and Matillion ETL. So why Matillion ETL? Okay. Direct.
Want you can take screenshot and as well as this call is also recorded. No problem with this.
Yeah. Yeah. I can
Yeah.
understand that. But what I meant to say is that like these are the topics which you are going to cover. So along with that, there is any kind of project that you're going to.
A project in the sense everything here what I'm showing here like this everything I will show you in Matillion DPC and as well as Matillion ETL and like I will give some of the like homework things as well. Uh, And if you want, we can go with the complete end-to-end project also. Like project in the sense, what we used to do is like like our source and target is Snowflake, for example.
Correct.
Okay.
Correct. Target is
Yeah.
Snowflake. Yeah.
Snowflake and source also Snowflake. What we are doing here, for example, you can see here like create table. What we used to do like our source and target is both are
Yeah.
Snowflake. So we are trying to create a new table with some of the like columns and along with inserting in the table we are inserting some of the rows and we are those things we are like pushing those things into Snowflake. So we can able to see those things in our Snowflake.
Mm.
Yeah, those things and
Yeah.
along with not only and I not only create table, I will show the each and every component and what is the main use of those things. And
No, actually,
yeah,
you've shown the components is very minimal. There is plenty of components, right, which we can
yeah,
use
yeah,
of
yeah,
on daily
yeah,
basis.
yeah, yeah. Everything I will show. That this minimal is like these are like we call these things are like DDL components. Like in DDL,
Mm,
you can see some of the components here. Flow components. Here you can see
mm,
flow components. We are having some more flow components, and along with script components. Like this all are components. Like this named was different actually.
mm,
Yeah, transformation components.
mm. But actually, I mean to say, target is anyway Snowflake data warehouse. Our source should be something which is Amazon S3 bucket or kind of like AWS. So
Like
these things, cloud sources should be right, so that we can get some files from there or a plenty of
what we
data
can,
which is coming
yeah,
from cloud, right?
yeah, so one we can
You're
do that
saying,
too.
yeah, you're saying
Yeah,
source is also Snowflake, right?
yeah, why the thing I choose this Snowflake is like we are having Snowflake also, we are having a free trial version. So that is the reason I went with Snowflake. And if you want, we can go with AWS as well. But the thing is
Mm.
like we need to put our credit card details over there and we need to get our AWS account activation. Those things are,
Okay.
yeah, that is the reason. This is like simple and straightforward.
Mm.
Yeah, that is the reason I have to.
Okay. Mm. Okay. Okay, Kalyan. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Who will talk
Thank
to me
you.
further things?
Yeah, yeah, sure.
No, no. Who will talk to me further things on?
For the HR group, will take care. For-
Acha, HKR
yeah,
group. They'll
yeah,
they'll talk to me. Right?
yeah, yeah. They will contact. Yeah,
Okay.
yeah, yeah.
Okay, man. Thanks.
Thank you.
Thanks for your time. Yeah. Bye.
Yeah.
Hello. Hello, madam. Hello.